Welcome to our tutorial on how to send one-time viewed media on Snapchat. Follow these simple steps to ensure your message is only seen once by the recipient. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. Tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen to begin a new chat session. Next, open the desired chat with the person you'd like to send the one-time viewed media to. This could be an individual user or a group chat. Now, take a snap by tapping the circle button to capture a photo or hold it down to record a video. Once you have the perfect shot, tap the timer icon located at the bottom of the screen. Set the timer to 1 for one-time viewing. This means that once the recipient opens the media, it will disappear after they view it. When you're satisfied with your snap and the timer is set, hit the send button to deliver the one-time viewed media to the recipient. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a one-time viewed media on Snapchat. This feature adds an extra layer of privacy and security to your messages, ensuring that they are only seen once by the intended recipient. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Happy snapping!